how to backup call logs to Samsung Cloud on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the Settings icon. Next, we then scroll down. And in here, we tap on Accounts and Backup. Next, we tap on Backup Data in the Samsung Cloud section. And then tap on Call Logs. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on. And then you can go down and tap on Backup Now. This will allow you to immediately back up your call logs to the cloud. And then tap on Done to finish. And then tap on the Home button to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.